You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken Tech for your ears.
Welcome everyone. Great to have you with us for another session. This time our Product Thursdays chat focusing on design. Things are moving so fast, aren't they? How we create products, interact with them. It's everything from the, tiniest detail to these huge visions. Today we're going to unpack some of that. How design keeps evolving, getting us excited, maybe confusing us sometimes too. Got some really interesting stuff lined up.
Absolutely. And design itself, it's such a broad term now, isn't it? It's really not just how something looks anymore. It's about solving problems, the whole experience, even like the emotional side of things. So yeah, today we'll touch on legacy, some cutting edge tools, and, the real human side of design decisions.
Okay, let's kick off with something kind of fun then. The new Emojis coming soon. You've seen the list. We're getting Bigfoot, an orca, a treasure chest, and that bulging eyes face, even an apple core. It's funny how these little pixel clusters really do shape our daily chats. What's your take?
It really is fascinating. Even these small things, they mirror shifts in culture, what users actually need or want to express. They just keep expanding that visual vocabulary we all use. It's like a micro design act with macro reach.
Yeah, totally. So from micro to macro, Apple put out this unusual 90-second tribute recently. It was all about the Jobs and Jony Ive design era. Really celebrated the iconic products. Even the Apple Store designs globally felt quite holistic.
It did, yeah. A beautiful piece. But what was kind of striking, or maybe telling, was how little they showed of the Vision Pro, right? Despite all the design effort poured into it. Just that quick glimpse of the crown.
Right, I noticed that too.
So what does that say? Maybe they're focusing on proven legacy for now, or maybe some innovations need time to, settle in culturally.
That's a really sharp point. How we balance celebrating the past versus pushing the new. And speaking of legacy, we have to mention Dieter Rams, 93 years old. He's getting the World Design Medal for 2025. His work at Braun, just foundational, truly.
Oh, absolutely. A giant. His principles, still incredibly relevant for designers today. A well-deserved honor.
Okay, so shifting gears a bit, let's talk cutting edge. Adobe. Premiere Pro and After Effects version 25.5, they've added over 90 new effects and transitions from that Film Impact acquisition. But the focus seems to be workflow, like smoother zooming, faster playback, making things easier for creators. This is the Vocal Technologist. That's the kind of progress we love.
And that's key, isn't it? Empowering designers by cutting down the friction. Less time fighting the tool, more time actually creating. And because it's rolled into the existing subscription, it makes these advanced tools more accessible too.
Get this, though. I read about this AI proof of concept for like a brand expression feature built in 1 hour.
1 hour? Seriously?
Yeah. Using Cursor, that AI code editor, and something called Figma MCP. It could pull brand colors automatically, turn rubbish logos into crisp SVGs. Basically proved something was possible super fast when people doubted it.
Wow. Well, that just drives home the point, doesn't it? Design leaders today, they really need to get their hands dirty with these AI tools. It's not just managing anymore, it's understanding what's possible, how quickly, so you can lead effectively. Changes the game for experimentation.
And another angle on AI accessibility. There was a UK government study. Neurodiverse employees using Microsoft 365 Copilot reported way higher satisfaction. They actually said AI was leveling the playing field.
Yep.
That's huge.
That really is significant. Using AI not just for efficiency, but for genuine inclusion, that's powerful design thinking right there.
So AI is changing how we design, who can participate, but what about the feel, the joy, this idea of taking your pleasure seriously in design. Research shows attractive things feel easier to use, right? The aesthetic usability effect. Think Hitachi ATMs or even NASA's work on reducing cognitive load. Good design feels good, like using Asana, maybe, or Slack when it works well.
Exactly, that delight, that bit of playfulness. It makes tools feel more human, less like a chore. It reduces stress, makes complex things feel manageable. It's not just fluff, it's functional. That little bit of joy can make all the difference in sticking with something.
Yeah, absolutely. And that links perfectly to onboarding, especially with AI products now, those first 30 seconds. Apparently crucial. The best approaches give you value immediately. They personalize it, let you actually do something useful right away, not just watch a demo.
It's about creating that aha moment instantly. That's how you convert trials, build momentum. It sets the whole tone for the user experience. Good design from minute one.
So wrapping this up, quite a journey today, huh? From Emojis and Dieter Rams' legacy, Apple's look back, all the way to AI speeding up workflows, boosting accessibility, and the importance of, well, just making things feel good to use. Design's definitely not standing still.
Not at all. Maybe a final thought for everyone listening. Think about web forms, or rather, the lack of them soon. AI tools are starting to just take unstructured stuff, images, PDFs, audio, just you talking or typing naturally, and turn it into structured data. How could that fundamental shift, changing how we input info, reshape basically all our tech interactions? What new designs might emerge from that? Something to chew on.
Spoken Tech for your ears.